Hi, hello, welcome to this video session. This video, I'm going to explain how to practice C in Linux environment. See, most of the students will do C program with the Windows environment, but the purpose of C program is to develop system software. So like compilers, linkers, loaders, network drivers. For such application, we will use C programming. Then the C programming will be used with the Linux environment, not with the Windows-based environment. So in this video, I will explain how to do your C program in Linux environment. That steps I have given here. So these are the steps. So the first one, we can use PuTTY application. See, why we are using PuTTY application? See, in your laboratory, you have LAN connections and you have a PC. In that PC, they are using only Windows operating system. So what we can do now, we can use one system as a Linux server that we can install the Linux software and we can create users account there. Then the students can connect to that server from this window-based PC using PuTTY application. So PuTTY application is like a API which help you to connect your system with the Linux operating system. So this is a very small application. This is freeware. You can download from internet. So once you download it, you can get small application in your desktop. When you double click it, it will ask you the IP address of the Linux server. So you have to give the IP address and it will ask you to connect. Once you click on connect, you will get the Linux environment in your Windows PC. So this is the first step you have to do. The next one, to type your C program, you can use VI editor. So VI is a editor like Notepad. In Notepad, we will type all the Java program. If you are doing, you can type the Notepad and you can execute the program in the command line like Java file name dot Java C file name dot Java like that. Similarly, here you are using the editor called VI editor. So you have to give VI. So VI is the command for editor. Then file name, C file. So always the C file will have the extension, suppose, .c. So VI ex1.c. This is the file name you have to give like this. Once you are giving this, you will get the editor in your page. So, and you will get here the cursor will be there. So this editor is not like your notepad, just like that you cannot type. So whenever you want to type, you have to press insert button in your keyboard. So every time you have to press insert keyword. So once you press insert key, the insert here you will get the command insert. So you can type your statement C program one by one. Then once you complete your program, you have to save your program and you have to come out this from this editor. So what you can do, no, you have to press escape key, then you press colon. So it will bring your cursor at the bottom of the screen. So escape and colon. So your screen will be like this. Then you have to type WQ. WQ is nothing but save and quit. WQ you have to give. You press this, then you will get this prompt like this. That is your Linux prompt you will get once you will come here. Then now your file got saved. And now you have to compile your C file. So the command for compilation is gcc hyphen o file name and C file name. So gcc, this is for your compilation command. Minus, hyphen o is nothing but you are redirecting your output to this file name. So you can give gcc hyphen O. Without any space, you have to give -o. Then some file name you have to give. So that is nothing but you can use some file name like out. I'm giving out. So whatever the output you are while executing this C file will be available in the out file. Will be available in the out file. So here in our case, our file is ex1. So ex1.c. You have to give like this. So this is the way you have to compile your file. Next, the next step, you have to get your output. So you have to give dot front slash, you have to give, not backslash. In our case, out. That is dot slash file name. So dot slash, I'm giving here out. This is the file name. Like this, you have to give. When you give like this, it will give the output of your C file. So this is the way you have to practice your C program in Linux environment. So hope this video helps you to understand how to execute C in the Linux environment. Very simple one. You must have some API application to connect your Linux server in your Windows environment. Then you are using VI editor to type your C programming. Then save your C file with the extension .c. So to save, you are using :WQ to save the file. So that's all, you have typed your file. Next, to compile the file, gcc-o output file space your C file name. So in this way, you have to give to compile your C program. Next, to get output or to execute your C program, you have to give dot slash your output file name. So dot slash out. Hope you understood about the Linux environment to practice C programming. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you.